First time coming in here was being pulled on a rope. This time we're using the engine.
There's nothing more exhilarating than the feeling of the unknown. The first time being self-propelled in the vast fjords of British Columbia with some of the strongest currents in the world. Will our engine work and get us where we need to go? We crossed our fingers and hoped everything would go as planned. And if it didn't, it would be an even bigger adventure. Because you really only start to live outside your comfort zone.
We had such a blast last night. Scylla, Eric, and Natalie joined us, and they are also coming with us today on our maiden voyage. So we're very excited to have them on board. And today is going to be a huge adventure.
After spending the last 2 weekends ensuring all systems were running, and of course installing the rudder, we could finally put Yarreh back in the water to sail her to the next location.
Beautiful day. Getting ready to sail to Shelter Island.
A different shipyard that welcomed liveaboard crew.
We're leaving! Oh my god, how exciting! Oh, is he excited? Boat's leaving. Goodbye, North Vancouver! Oh my god! What do you think?
First maneuver, you should open a beer.
Yeah.
Awesome!
Woohoo! First time coming in here was being pulled on a rope. This time we're using the engine. Oh my god, so exciting!
Oh, it's 26 foot deep, that motor's working.
Oh shit, look at those boats.
Channel 12, please.
A leak coming in here somewhere.
Will the engine work and get us to where we need to go? It will be the true test of time. We waited for the current to switch directions in our favor and only hoped things would go as planned.
We're just about to top up with diesel, in Vancouver before we start our journey. Just heading into the Chevron here, getting some gas, and then we're gonna head out and go underneath the Lionsgate Bridge and out into the ocean. And we're gonna go all around Vancouver then up the Fraser River. Look at this view, Scylla.
Yeah.
Downtown Vancouver.
Downtown.
Going to the
Best view
Chevron.
you can have for downtown.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh. The first diesel dock. Just rolling up to the Chevron.
Besides, let the professional do the work.
Oh, someone has to do it.
Someone has to
It's
do it?
diesel, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's diesel.
Usually use potato oil, but
Eric is the professional in this case.
I practice a lot at home.
Yeah. This was the only day on the weather forecast that showed sun. And it's happening.
Apparently we weren't supposed to be in the channel at this time due to tanker traffic.
Sailing vessel Yarreh, please come in. Roger, okay, thank you very much. We'll try to stay on your port side as much as we can.
We were just on the radio with this big shipping vessel back there, and they're going to be about
Like news reporters.
6 minutes behind us, so we got to make sure to get out of the way.
That's like news reporters. Live broadcasting from Sailing Vessel Yarreh.
How was your first time under the Lionsgate Bridge? I love it.
Told us that they were out by kind of close to Bowen. Yeah. Defense Island.
That was actually my first time.
Got some smoke down there. Yeah.
What color is that?
The smoke? Smoke? White. Inside?
Okay.
Maybe we should put the sail up right now.
I think
Sailing Yarreh for the first time.
Once we had the sail up, we were able to have the time to figure out where the smoke was coming from,
Super
which turned
beautiful.
out to be an easy fix, just a hole in the exhaust line.
Oh, we gotta clean this shit here. Wasp nest.
Wow.
To this point,
beautiful.
everything was working
First
great,
sail.
but this was actually the first time that we've fully seen the sails. As you can see, the mast included were extremely dirty and covered in mildew. It looked like it had spent several years
Massive
unmaintained while at
tankers.
anchorage before becoming adrift.
Christof in his element, and hey, guess what, guys? What? The sun is breaking up. Blue, I see blue skies. Huge.
We were sailing this.
first day I met you, I think they called you every name except Cindy. Groovy, baby. We're on the way. How fast are we going now?
4.5.
Welcome back to BC, my friend.
That's right. Welcome to BC.
Mediterranean tray.
Yeah.
Oh man, olives
Sounds
would
so
be.
good.
We should have gotten olives. I
Olives?
thought about it.
Oh, yeah, that would be a good idea.
Olives are the best.
Everything was working better than expected for our maiden voyage, so we spontaneously decided to change course and head towards Bowen Island instead.
No, I just took pictures.
Did you get a picture of the grade?
Beautiful day, guys. Out of the whole week, it was raining every other day. And you know what? I took a screenshot last night.
You were so excited.
And look, it's better than what they forecast. Scylla, tell us how you're enjoying your time on the boat so far.
Oh, good.
What is it in German? Ach,
Hug my goodies. Like a beer?
Enjoy.
Yeah, just enjoy. We are all enjoying right now because it is sunny.
Here too, this. A little bit up. You too. Wheels, everything.
What's happening out here?
Hey! Hey, the big one!
You heard that?
People think
What do I have?
These girls think they have a but it's only the camera.
Is he helping?
It's only the camera that's
Is the WD-40 helping?
I don't know. I think this rope is too.
This episode.
Yeah, I think it is too big.
We are live here in the Pacific Northwest of this one of our boats.
I would like to point out the shadows on the mountains that the clouds are making. It's gorgeous, and you only get it in the northwest. I mean, I'm sure you get it in other places, but it's pretty here, okay?
This deep, alright.
to the other side to a different buoy. And then we're gonna head to land to find some food.
With the weather being so nice, it was the perfect opportunity to spend our first night on board to get more familiar with everything that worked and everything that didn't work before our next adventure of our anticipated refit.
Nice work. We got it.
Let's give that one. Better get a new Sharpie, buddy.
Yeah.
Listening to my knock. Can you see how his head is tilted? Hey, buddy, come back.
He was curious. He came back from a look.
She's getting skeptical of you.
You do pinch off in my thumb.
So beautiful, hey?
Look at this guy.
Wow.
Look at you, Swan. Oh my god.
His feathers are so white. Like
Oops, sorry.
white. Yeah, did you put cologne?
Kona, what do you think of the swan?
You have some kind of shower?
Put a hand
Huh?
on it.
Beautiful. I was wondering what Kona was barking at. So now we're gonna take the dinghy onto the shore, go check out some restaurants.
I wasn't even afraid of the motor. Like I started the motor and I turned around and it was
Really?
this massive swan right now.
No way. Kona. Yeah,
We're not going that far. Look, it's our swan.
fully loaded. Oh my god, it is our swan.
From the United States?
Swan's hanging out at Yarreh.
No, we're gonna sink if we go say hi.
What was this one called again? This bay, do you remember?
Something with an M.
No, that was Maiden Bay.
Also, this is
This was...
So like a superstar being driven to land.
yeah.
Look at this freaking house. You're like,
Sound the same.
Ferry's coming in. Gotta make it to the pub before they do. Hey, Swan. Look at Kona. Shaking the tail feathers for us.
look at this guy. Buddy.
Oh, yeah, another guy. You guys are coming back on the dinghy from
Bowen Island. Oh, he just shit.
Next time on Yarreh, we attempt to rescue an unlucky duck before finally setting sail to our final destination. Up British Columbia's longest river, which spans over 1,300 kilometers starting in the Rocky Mountains and ending in Vancouver. And once again arrived just in time.
Yeah.
Yarreh's final resting place for the planned refit.
We are in the land of boatyards. Land of boatyard. Land of boats.
Which is one of the bigger shipyards in the Pacific Northwest.
Oh my god!
Tiny own garden. Stephanie knows about
If
garden.
you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's one free, easy way you can help support this journey. Thanks for watching. Until next time.